Welcome to English Grammar Quiz.
Ephemeral means lasting for a very short time. Brief captures the essence of short duration. Lethargic means affected by lethargy, sluggish and apathetic. Sluggish is directly synonymous, indicating a lack of energy or slow movements. Meticulous means showing great attention to detail, very careful and precise. Precise emphasizes the accuracy aspect. Nefarious means typically of an action or activity, wicked or criminal. Evil is a synonym indicating profound immorality and wickedness. Pernicious means having a harmful effect, especially in a gradual or subtle way. Deadly can be a synonym, especially when referring to something very harmful or destructive. Quintessential means representing the most perfect or typical example of a quality or class. Essential captures the idea of being absolutely necessary, extremely important, but in this context, it's about embodying a characteristic to its fullest. Reticent means not revealing one's thoughts or feelings readily. Reserved is directly synonymous, indicating a person who is restrained in words and actions. Sagacious means having or showing keen mental discernment and good judgment. Wise is a synonym, denoting the ability to make sensible decisions and judgments based on personal knowledge and experience. Taciturn means of a person, reserved or uncommunicative in speech, saying little. Silent is not a perfect match, but close in meaning, emphasizing the lack of speech. Ubiquitous means present, appearing, or found everywhere. Omnipresent is a synonym, also indicating something that is widespread or constantly encountered. Venerate means regard with great respect, revere. Respect is a synonym, although venerate often implies a deeper level of respect. Winsome means attractive or appealing in appearance or character. Charming is directly synonymous, indicating pleasant or attractive qualities. Yoke is often used to describe a bond or connection, especially in terms of labor or burden, but link captures the essence of connection or joining. Zealous means showing great energy or enthusiasm in pursuit of a cause or an objective. Passionate is a synonym, indicating a strong and barely controllable emotion. Abate means to become less intense or widespread. Lessen is directly synonymous, meaning to make or become less. Benevolent means well-meaning and kindly. Kind is a synonym, emphasizing the quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate. Conundrum means a confusing and difficult problem or question. Puzzle is synonymous, referring to a problem designed to test ingenuity or knowledge. Derelict means in a very poor condition as a result of disuse and neglect. Neglected captures the essence of being uncared for. Ebullient means cheerful and full of energy. Exuberant is a synonym, emphasizing a lively energy and enthusiasm.
Thanks for watching.